Good
Ma'am.
afternoon. Sorry for
Good
being
morning, ma'am.
2 minutes late. I just went to fresh myself. Yeah. Welcome back, everyone. Musfira, what are you doing with that mouse? Yeah, cuddling yourself. She's cuddling herself. Yeah. Everyone is having wireless mouse. Yeah. Wireless mouse.
No, I have wire one. I have wire one. Ma'am, I have wireless.
Viral one. Yeah, Amara. Okay, Amara, just
I
check
have
your mother's
wireless.
number. I have sent you the coding, okay? Screenshot I have
Okay,
already
ma'am.
sent. Just check it. I have given.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
I have one my Arabic class. I can do after that also.
Okay. Mariam, turn on your camera. Musfira, lazy, Musfira Rizwani is getting lazy. Amir, turn on your camera. Okay, just give me 2 minutes. I'll be back. Just give me 2 minutes.
Right.
Okay, I'm back. Chalo, everyone. Zainab, Ali, Mariam, turn on your camera. Where is Rayan? He didn't join in. Okay. Yeah, he came. He came. Zainab, come sit at your place. Okay. Listen. Okay, listen. Which book you got it? Which book you got it? Science book.
Science.
Wow, lovely. Okay. Now listen. You remember I asked you will have a Musfira Sayyad. Where are you going? By closing the door? Come sit. Okay. Listen. Listen. I asked you for the food party. Do you remember?
Yes, ma'am.
So where is the food?
Oh.
Wait,
We are
Zainab,
doing
listen,
it.
listen. Listen, listen.
Meal is at my house only.
Listen. Tuesday, what I have planned? Anyways, half of the time it's already 12:10. So on Tuesday, everyone on Tuesday, this is fixed now. I'll make a notification also in the WhatsApp group.
But
Everyone,
next Tuesday is a exam, yeah?
science exam is not there. Science exam is on Thursday. Just check it. Science exam is on Thursday. I already checked it. That's why I'm making this announcement. Yeah.
Tomorrow there's no class, right?
Holiday, enjoy. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, enjoy.
4 days holiday.
4 days, 4 days. Even we will get holidays. So happy. Yeah. Now listen to me. What I was saying on Friday, Musfira, come sit at your place. Ali, listen. What am I saying? Yeah. Now what we will do on Tuesday, we'll keep a food party. What you'll do? Tell me.
We want bring our food, our favorite food.
Yeah. What food you'll get? You'll get pizza and burger. You'll get pizza and burger? No.
No healthy
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 food.
food.
And you will tell me what all it has. Carbohydrates, proteins or fats. We have learned about this, right? Carbohydrates, proteins and fats. How many dish you will get? How many food you will get? How many plates you will get? 1, 3. Okay.
No, one.
Okay.
get
Get
many
it, and we will discuss about the different nutrients and we'll have party on that day. Exactly, we will have party. Is it nice? Nice idea, na?
Ma'am, third
To relieve
lecture.
your stress. Yeah?
Ma'am, third lecture.
Yeah, no, Tuesday. It's fixed. It's fixed now. Tuesday, we are meeting at 12 and get your food. Musfira Rizwani, what's wrong with you today? Why are you so low today? Is there any problem? Oh my goodness, it's on Tuesday, 18th of January. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes.
And
19
listen.
January. Last Tuesday. You didn't put January 13th. That is my brother's birthday.
Okay, nice. By the way, whose birthday is coming? Whose birthday is nearby?
My brother's.
Okay.
My brother's.
Anyone born in Jan?
Mine.
I'll mute everyone. Wait, I'll mute everyone. Wait. You are screaming now. Okay. Whose birthday comes in January month?
Ma'am, my birthday is my brother's.
It's Feb 10. Okay. Lovely. What
My
about
brother.
others?
My brother's birthday just passed away.
Okay. What about
It was yesterday.
Ian? When is your birthday?
My brother's birthday was yesterday.
On?
February.
Wow. Ian, which day?
It's 15 February. 25 February.
10th is Mariam and 15 is Ian. Okay. They will give
January.
us cake and sweet.
In 12 January.
Okay.
Give us cake.
March. Who's having on March? I don't think so. We are working till April. We are working. Okay, Musfira Rizwani, when is your date?
Ma'am, my is on 25. Ma'am.
Okay, 25. Yeah, Musfira?
March 23.
Lovely. Anybody else from March?
No, I'm not in March.
April.
No.
Me also. Me also April. I am also April born. Yeah?
I am April 26.
I am a 5 April. Mine come first. Okay? That will be your first holiday, you know. I just checked the calendar. First holiday of the vacation.
Next, ma'am.
That would be your first holiday of the vacation. 5th April, yeah. Okay, done. Chalo, now back to science.
Birthday comes in October 2.
Okay, October 2. Gandhi Jayanti. Very nice.
Yes,
Tuesday. Yeah, Ali.
July 1st.
Okay, July 1st. Listen, everyone. Tuesday we are having a food party. Get 2, 3, 1 dish, whatever you want. But you have to explain me why it is healthy. Okay, you have to explain me why it is healthy. Everyone, you just don't have to come and eat. You have to explain me also why it is healthy. And it is not the part of assessment. Let me tell you, it is not part of your assessment. Okay. Chalo. Now, what are we going to do? Ali, come sit at your place. Yeah.
We can get some marks for it.
Yeah, Khatija.
Ma'am, my birthday is on January.
Oh, really? Jan what?
Yeah. 25th.
Oh my God, her birthday is coming first. So Khatija is giving us chocolates, right?
No.
Why?
Yes.
You have to give. We will celebrate your birthday.
That is not fair. You have to give. Republic Day. In 26 January. Are you now?
Okay. Everyone is muted. Very nice. Now, we are going to do the revision of our senses. Okay. Whose exam is there in the next week. We'll do the revision. I'm revising it so that you get prepared here itself only. Okay. Give me a thumbs up. Are you ready for it? Then we'll have a food party and then we'll go to the next chapter in science. Okay. Chalo, start. Long time ago, there was a chapter called Our Senses in Science. And we have started with that. Do you remember? There were 5 siblings of our senses. Can anyone tell me how many siblings were there? How many siblings? Either you make it brother or sister, it's up to you. 5 siblings, okay. Can you name those 5 siblings?
No.
That is not 5 siblings. That is your mother and no, they cannot have a different mother and father. 5 cousins. 5 cousins. Is it fine? Yeah.
Smell.
See?
Smell.
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 Taste. Here. 5 siblings. Okay.
I have
5 siblings. I have a 5 senses song. Do you remember? It was Musfira Sayyed who sang very well. I do remember. She has sent the video on WhatsApp. She sent the video. I just loved the way she sang. Okay. Now, Ali, I have a 5 senses.
I'm not gonna be a singer.
Yes, you will be. One day.
No, I won't.
No, you don't want to be. Okay. Now come to first part. The first sense. What did we learned about? First sense. What have you learned about? No, Amir, I don't want you to answer. I mean, like, don't feel bad, beta, because you answer every time and you answer correctly. That's why. Let others give. Let give answer. Even Zainab. Amara. Yeah. First was. First we did. We didn't do smell. Touch. Who said that? Very good, Musfira. Ali, next question is to you.
Second taste.
Second we did about taste. Third we did about hearing. Then smell. And then
Then smell. Then sight.
Then what?
Then look.
Sight.
Then eyes.
Now let's first talk about the sense of touch. How do we feel the touch? Through what?
By hand.
Okay, wait.
Skin.
Yes, very good. By what?
By skin.
By skin.
By skin.
Okay, skin is the organ which enables us for sense of touch. Okay, what else? There are 4 different types of objects.
Fingerprint.
4 different types of objects which allows us to make the difference between the 4 objects. Musfira Sayyed will answer. Musfira Sayyed will answer. Yeah. 4 different objects. What are the 4 different objects?
Can I say what 4 different?
You don't remember? The way they appear, they feel to us. We have divided into 4 objects. They feel to us. No one, Khatija, Maria.
Amara, can I say?
Okay, Amara, wait. Let me give Zainab. Yeah, Zainab, answer.
Yes. The 5
different objects are according to the
5
touch.
objects are cold.
Very good.
Fire.
Hot, not fire.
Soft.
Yes.
Rough.
Okay. We can say soft to smooth also. Okay. Smooth and soft is one and the same thing. Rough, warm, hot, and cold. Is that clear? 4 different objects according to their touch. Okay. Now, then we talked about, wait, how does the sense of touch help us? How does the sense of touch protects us? Khatija will answer. Khatija, stop dreaming and start answering. Yeah.
What?
How does the sense of touch help us, protects us from danger?
It like if you touch.
Come on, come on.
If you touch something that is that might.
Okay.
Something that, if you
Okay.
touch something that is really hot,
Okay.
then you take your
Okay,
hand.
Musfira Rizwani, your turn.
The skin, the touch help us like if there is everything it is normal, so we can touch it and then we can feel it, and then
Okay.
we touch and then we our skin feels that it is hot, so we got that it is hot.
True. Okay. Very nice. Even Khatija was right. Next question. No, we have many. I have many questions. We did. Every person has a unique. Every person has a unique. There are 4 different types of fingerprints. Ian will answer. Ian.
Double loop, single loop, wall, and
Ian, unmute yourself and answer.
single loop,
Very good.
double loop,
Very good.
hole,
Wall.
wall,
And arched. Okay? Arched.
march,
Arch. ARCHED. Arch. Okay? Yes. Fine. How does this fingerprint help us? How does this fingerprint help us? How does this?
to catch a thief,
Okay, Ali will answer. Let Ali answer it. Yeah, Ali.
Ma'am, I can say finger
Wait, Ian, you got the chance, na, beta? Let Ali answer it.
to get a thief.
Just give me 2 minutes. Appi. Yeah, tell me. Sorry. Yeah, tell me. Who was saying? Yeah, Ali, you were saying, na?
From our fingerprints, when our hands are dirty, and we will touch some means from
Ali, my question is, how does the fingerprint help us? I'm like, how does it help? What kind of job it is doing for
the
us?
hand.
Fingerprint. Every person has a unique fingerprint. Do you agree? So how does it help? Amir, you tell.
Help to touch.
Amir, you tell.
If he can't answer, can I answer?
Okay, Zainab, you tell. Then Amara will answer.
Okay. It helps us like if we want no one to open a phone and they know our password, so we can change our password
True.
to our fingerprints.
Yes, because everyone is having unique. So it can be help for locking purpose.
But
You can lock it. You can identify person.
And ma'am, and they made something. How he will?
No, beta. Ali, listen. Listen, Ali. You know Aadhaar card. Everyone has their unique Aadhaar card. We have all our fingerprint information in that, you know. So this will help na to identify a person. In this way, fingerprint is helping na.
I know that.
Okay, Ali.
Something.
Yeah. So she was right. Zainab, your answer was right. We have many questions now. Stop it, beta. Okay. We'll go to another question. Okay. The next sense was tongue. How many? Okay. How do we taste? Sorry, taste. Which part of the organ help us to determine the taste? Which part of the organ? I said the answer also. Everyone. Come on together. Come on together.
Tongue.
Yeah.
Taste buds.
Yes, but where are the taste buds located?
Saliva.
Saliva. Yes, taste buds and saliva. Wait.
Saliva.
Yeah. It helps in what? It helps in the determining the
It helps in the taste.
Yes. 4 different types of taste we have done. What are 4 different types of taste?
Spicy.
No,
Salt.
spicy. There is no word spicy in your book. Very good.
Salty.
Savory, Amara, excellent.
Salty.
Savory,
Sweet.
bitter,
Salt.
salt. Yes.
Salt.
Look, savory, sour, sweet, bitter. Is it fine? Even you can take salty. Yeah.
It's savory.
Yeah. We have done different types of nutrients. Do you remember? Who remembers this? Different types of nutrients. No one?
Zainab, I remember it.
Yeah. Tell me, Zainab, what is it? Yeah.
Carbohydrates.
Very good.
Protein,
Very good.
salty,
Fats.
fats and salty food.
Minerals. Very nice.
Minerals. And proteins.
Yeah, Amir. Zainab, you're done. Very nice. Very nice. And on Tuesday for food party, you have to tell me your food is having what? Carbohydrates, fats or proteins or what? Minerals. Okay. Okay, everyone. This is for everyone on Tuesday. Now, the next question is, how many taste buds do we have? Wait, I will ask this answer from Musfira Rizwani because in the questionnaire session, she asked me. So I will ask her. Yeah, Musfira.
110.
No. Anybody else?
1,000.
Musfira Sayyed, you answer. What is it? How many taste buds do we have?
1,100.
What is that? 1,100. What is the meaning of that?
Ma'am, 1,110.
It's
2,100.
It's 10,000. It's 10,000.
It's 10,000.
Yes, it's 10,000 taste buds.
That's what I said.
10,000.
10,000. 10,000 I said.
Okay. 10,000.
No, you said 1,101. Yeah, you said 1,110. But now I know it's only 10,000. It's 1,000. No, 10,000. Ma'am just told us that it is 10,000. But in the book it's written 1,000. No. It is 10,000. No, it's written 10,000. Ma'am just told. Ma'am just told.
Okay. Yeah. 10,000 taste buds. Okay. 10,000. Is that clear? Now, what else was there in the sense of taste? We talk about nutrients. We talk about how does it help? How does it help? Mariam will answer. How does it help? How does the sense of taste help us? Protects us. Anyone? Anyone? Then we'll go to sense of sight.
Can I
Okay.
Can I tell?
Yeah. Tell Ali. What is it?
It helps us to taste. Means like water.
But how does it protect us? That is the question. The question is tongue, taste buds, saliva is all helping us for the taste.
Ma'am, Amara, I didn't answer one question also.
Okay, Amara, you answer.
It's remember our playing.
My question is, how does the sense of taste help us, protects us? That is my question to you. No one?
Zainab.
Yeah, Ali, Zainab knows the answer. What about you, Ali? What about you, Ian?
I was just telling you the answer.
Khatija, where did you go?
Ma'am, what is the question? Can you repeat?
The question is, how does the sense of taste protects us? Help us. That's the question.
I am waiting for 100 years.
100 waiting for 100 years. Look, yeah, Amara, tell the answer. You wanted to answer.
Saliva?
Na? Tell me what is it. Yeah.
Can I say the answer?
Okay, Amara, you don't know the answer. Okay, Musfira Rizwani, tell me.
They help us if we don't have a tongue, and then we cannot understand. It is very salty and it is very sugary. So that's why we got a tongue, so we can taste that. Yeah, it is perfect. We want
No,
to
beta,
put
that is giving you the sense of taste. It is not protecting you. My question is, how does it protect? Khatija?
me.
Khatija?
Me. It the sense of taste protects you. Ma'am, Ian.
Okay, Khatija is partially correct. Right? Yeah,
Ma'am,
yeah. Yeah, Ian, tell me.
When we are eating something, then we don't know, then it protects us. We cannot
Yes,
eat it.
right. Look, you seem sometimes food appears to be good. You can see it appears to be good, but moment you eat it, the taste has changed. It has rotten. So what do? You spit out. Your tongue is only helping you, na? Okay, this is not healthy food. This is not good food for your health.
Our teeth.
Tongue. What teeth? Teeth helps in chewing.
Our teeth is also helping us.
Yeah, but it helps in chewing and grinding. Okay,
But we can
now
swallow
the third sense of smell. Which part of organ helps us in the sense of smell? Everyone together. Mariam went away. Which? Nose. Okay. What is this? What is this called? This part. Everyone forgot it? This part. Very good, Amir. This part. This part.
This part.
Yeah.
Nostril.
This is nostril. This is nostril.
Septum.
Very good. Very good, Musfira Rizwani. Septum. What cells are located inside our nose? Who takes the... Very good. Receptors are going where? Receptors are going
In the
brain. Analyzing the kind of smell and coming back to what? Yes, nose. And telling the nose what kind of smell it is. Okay.
Ma'am, our brain is like a machine.
Yes. It does the work. Yeah.
Ma'am, you say that the brain is our mama.
Yeah, it's a mama. Yeah, I said you. I do remember. Then what else was there in sense of smell? What else was there?
The first way, give to the brain, and then brain see, and then all do like that, and then the brain say to the mouth that it is the a coffee. So then we say our mouth.
Okay, right. Musfira, you're absolutely right. One more question is there. How much distance does a smell travels? If you spray a perfume in your room, till where you can smell it?
From there to here.
From there to here, what do you mean?
Ma'am,
Okay,
1 kilometer can be smelled. Ma'am, to kitchen to
I want in kilometers, I want in meters. That is your task. That is also I want you to ask for exam. Yeah, Zainab, what is it? Okay, Amir, 100 meters will do.
2
Yeah,
kilometers.
Zainab. 2 kilometers is quite far.
1 meter. In my room, I can only smell the perfume like.
No, 1 meter is quite small, Zainab. 1 meter is what would be more than 100 meters. 1 meter is this much, beta. Look, 1 meter is this much. Look, I'm expanding.
100 meters.
Okay.
100 and meter.
Yeah, okay. Now the next question. Sense of sight.
2 हाँ. I can only spell
Side. Okay, no, boss, let's go to here. Here. What are your parts of ear? You will tell me. Flap, earlobe, flap, and what?
Ear canal. And
Ear canal. Very good.
ear canal,
Where do-
ear lobe, ear flap.
Where does the girls do piercing?
Earlobe.
Earlobe. Yes. Okay. How does the sense of hearing protects us from the danger? How does the sense of hearing protects us from the danger?
Like if something is loud, we can hear it and then we'll run away quickly and that's how. And then in other building there
Okay. Wait. Tell me one thing. Tell me one thing. Can we taste anything with a dry tongue?
No. Ma'am, we did the experiment. We put the tongue and then
Yes.
saliva was not there, so we could not taste it.
Yes. And in sense of sight, in sense of sight, we did one activity of piano. Do you remember? We did an activity of which? Morse code. Okay, different sounds having what? Different sounds were meant for different letters. And with that sound, we can make out the letter.
And then we were
Blind spot. Yes, that was blind spot. So kids, please do revise all this thing for your exam. Okay, I'll keep it very simple, but you have to study it. It's very easy. You have done it many times. Just read the textbook once, and I am sure you all will get good marks. Very good marks, because you all are very smart and intelligent. Okay, I'll stop for the day. Enjoy your holidays. Tuesday, we are meeting. Come up with the food. Okay, and then
can you please Simon says there's still 5
what now? Khadija, I'm very tired. I'll do it on Tuesday. Okay, beta? Okay, chalo. Bye, everyone. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.